Hey guys, today I'm just going to sit down, play with some makeup. What's new? I have way too many new things, so yeah, there's really no intro for this video. I'm just gonna put some makeup on my face, so let's just get started. Okay, I'm not gonna start with my face because I have the Jackie Aina palette that I'm going to be playing with. I bought this when it came out and I still have yet to use it, so we're gonna use it. I think I really want to do like a cranberry smoky eye, so that's what we're gonna do. I have this new Colourpop Pretty Fresh concealer to try out. I have it in the shade Fair 07C. I ordered it online, but this shade looks pretty good. It's really light, but I'm really light, so it makes sense. So let's just put this on our eyelids because I usually just use my concealer to prime. So what have you guys been up to? I've literally done nothing. I have been deep cleaning my room and that's about it. It's been so messy. And I went through my clothes. I finally transitioned my wardrobe from summer to fall winter. That took forever, but also I live in Arkansas and the weather here can never make up its mind, so, but that's just the South, so that blended out really well. I know I wasn't paying attention, but okay, so a lot of dirty brushes. Let's choose the least dirtiest of them all. I'm gonna start by taking the shade Supreme. Ooh, that is pigmented. But yeah, apart from deep cleaning my closet, my room, I've just been working. I literally do nothing. I feel like I live at the salon. Some days are better than others. Or rather, some days are longer than others. Some days are better than others, but I hurt. My body hurts. Literally, if you are a cosmetologist, you do hair, you know. It is such a rewarding job, but also such a painful job. My body hurts all the time. Thankfully, I work at a salon that has a massage therapist. That is nice. I'm using a Morphe M518, by the way. Just a big old fluffy brush. And not really being too careful with this. I'm just smoking it out, blending it out nice and big. I think that's a little bit better, right? I'm just gonna keep applying this color until its payoff is what I want. I watched a video last night on how to work my freaking camera because I got this new camera and I don't know what I'm doing, so hopefully the quality and everything is a little bit better than the last video I filmed with this. So hopefully I'm improving, and that's all I can hope for. Alright, now I'm going to go into Pinker, which is this shade here, right next to Supreme. And I'm going to take a Morphe M514. It's a smaller, more tapered version of that last brush. And I'm going to start working this into the socket of the crease, so like right in the deep part of the crease. Starting in the, well, I'm just going to go from inner to outer corner because I'm going to put that cranberry shade all over. But I still kind of like to start in the outer corner. That way I don't overwhelm the eye, if that makes any sense. I'd rather it be darker in the outer corner than just like super dark in the inner corner. Because that'll just make the eyes look really closed off. I don't want that. These are blending really, really well. But like, it's Anastasia shadows, so I expect nothing less. I'm just gonna go back in with that brush that I used with Supreme, picking up just a little bit of Supreme and blending that out, and then going back into Pinker. I'm just gonna go back and forth until I feel happy with the color. Okay, so on my lid, I'm gonna take Wigglies. This one right here, the cranberry. Can you? Yeah, that one. I'm gonna see how it applies with a brush, but I may just end up applying it with my finger. We'll see. I'm just gonna take the brush that comes in the palette, and I'm gonna take this side, pick it up on the brush. Ooh. Wow, that is pigmented. It's insane when you find a shimmer that actually applies with a brush. I think I'm gonna apply most of it with the brush and then go back over it with my finger just to get maximum shine. I like this brush that the palette comes with because it packs on color, but it's got a thick enough tip that I can like blend it to the crease color. Just super easy. Before I apply it with my finger, I'm going to go into pinker on that smaller brush and just reapply into the crease just to melt the two colors together. Alright, and then just on my ring finger, picking up that cranberry. Alright, now I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Credit, which is the deep brown. It is this one. And I'm going to pack this on the outer corner because I want a little bit of depth. Just like right there. So actually I'm going to start at the lash line. And then just kind of create a V shape. And then blend over that a little bit. Yeah, that just adds just a hint of depth. I am going to go ahead and just apply an inner corner highlight. I'm going to take Trust Issues. Oh, I wasn't ready. It just looks, you know, white and shimmery in the pan, but oh, it has got the prettiest gold shine. Oh my goodness. I'm going to pack a little bit of that and just put it on the center. Just the little sparkles. I'm gonna add, because I want to wear lashes. I haven't worn lashes in a hot minute. I'm gonna do a little bit of a black line just across my lash line. I don't want to do a wing. I'm using MAC Brush Black. Alright, I got these lashes. These are the Salon Perfect Brittany Bare Verified lashes. So we are going to try these. I love Salon Perfect lashes. I use the Silk Noir lashes in my freelance kit and I love them. So I apply lashes on other people all the time, but I have not personally worn eyelashes in a long time. And I almost forgot to put on my mascara because I always put my mascara on first. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Supersizer. I don't know what's up with this mascara, but like, don't know if it's discontinued or if like they're just not really selling it like anywhere, but CoverGirl, don't get rid of your original Supersizer in Very Black because I'll be very mad. Okie dokie. I think I'm also going to tightline. I'm just going to use this Colourpop Swerve black eyeliner because it's the first one that I grabbed. I like that this is a very flexible, clear band, but yet the lash is still full. I have high hopes. Foundation time. I'm going to take the new Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer by Colourpop. It's the Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer. Saying to use a sponge to put it on, and it has hyaluronic acid and coconut water. It says it's good for all skin types. It's dermatologist tested, oil-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and vegan. Cool beans. I got the shade Fair 1N. I ordered it online, so I have no idea if this is going to match me. That looks like my shade. I'm going to put, guess 1.5 pumps, because that's all that's coming out. That should be plenty though, I hope. It is definitely, well, I probably could have gone a shade darker, but it's fine because by the time I add all my powders and everything, you won't be able to tell. Alright, so it doesn't give really any coverage, which, like, I expected. It's a tinted moisturizer, just to see if it's buildable. Alright, it's a little bit buildable, but it's a tinted moisturizer. I probably shouldn't have tried it with this look, because this look is very full coverage. I mean, this look is heavier on the eyes, so I'd want more full coverage. But, I mean, it looks really good on the skin as far as I can tell. Like, my skin looks dewy and hydrated. So that's good. We'll just add a shit ton of concealer. So this is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. This is the same one I used on my eyes earlier. This is in the shade Fair 07C. I'm not gonna get too close to that eyeshadow on that outer corner, just because I do want it to be smoky. I mean, she's awake! She is awake. That's blending out super well, and it's got some coverage. I feel very awake. I probably could have gone a shade darker in the concealer as well. I am going to use Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder and set my under eyes. I'm just going to set a little bit more of my face than I normally do, just because it is a tinted moisturizer. I don't hate it. I think it's a really pretty finish. I just need a little more coverage because of the look that I'm doing. So I am going to put these brows on off camera. I don't have anything new to try or anything. We're just going to put them on real quick because that takes a minute, so I'll be back. My pasty self is back with some brows. So I think I want to finish the lower lash line real quick before I forget or get too ahead of myself. I'm just going to go in with Supreme and blend this underneath. And then I'm going to go in with Pinker. Okay, and then I'm going to pop on Trust Issues back onto that inner corner. I need something in my waterline. I'm just going to take a nude liner. Alright, let's put on some mascara on the bottom lashes. I need bronzer, so I'm just gonna go in with my tried and true, the Heatwave Luminous Bronzer in Sunrise L1. This is by Flower Beauty. I'm just using this Real Techniques 003 brush. It is from their latest collection, I think. I love this for bronzer though. It just applies it so quick and so easy. It works perfect for my face shape. I am just loading on this bronzer because I'm very fair. Very, very fair. Blush, I actually have a new blush. This is the Patrick Ta Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush. This is in the shade She's Passionate. I really like that it's not so in your face when you first put it on, that you can build it up, because the last thing that I want is to apply a blush and the whole makeup look is ruined. Ooh, she's cute. I really like that blush. I could really see that being like an everyday blush for me. Okay, for highlight, I want something golden. So I'm going to take Nars Albatross Best Golden Highlighter. I love it. This is the Jeffree Star JS4 with Morphe. I have found that I really like applying it to like the apple of my cheek lately. So it's right there when you smile. Don't have any new lipsticks to try, so I'm just going to use a newer lip product, and it is the Patrick Ta Precision Lip Crayon, and she's humble. I really, really like this lip liner. I'm gonna take the Patrick Ta Monochrome Moment Silky Lip Cream in She's Secure, so just gonna add this on top. This formula is very interesting. I find that it's like a hybrid between a satin lip, like a satin liquid lip, and a lip gloss. I'm gonna add Dolly lip gloss on top of this. This is from Buxom. So this is the finished look. I think it ended up all coming together. I still feel like I'm a little bit pale, but it's workable. Like, I think just going with the more golden tones helped bring some color into the skin. Which, speaking of skin, like, my skin actually looks really good for it just being like a tinted moisturizer and this concealer. I'm definitely going to continue using this concealer. It is a little bit fair, but I'll just use less of it when I do use it. Really like these. I think on days that I don't really want to wear makeup, this will be a really good option, or I could mix it with some fuller coverage foundations if I want to kind of make them a little bit more dewy or a little bit more of a medium to light coverage. Jackie Aina palette, so good. Didn't expect anything less, especially with Anastasia. They just kill it every time. I like these lashes. I did get used to them eventually. It's just been a hot minute since I've worn lashes, but these lashes are really pretty. And this blush is just a really good color, like especially for my skin tone. I find that I'm probably going to be reaching for this on the daily now. Get you some Patrick Ta because it's good. His lip products are really good as well. I've been wearing this one a lot lately. I love when I try things and they just work like they're supposed to. But yeah, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me trying new products. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.